Hi friends, my name is Nandita.
Children, now let us discuss about bodybuilding food, which are called as proteins. Bodybuilding food help us grow taller and stronger. It builds our muscles, bones, teeth and hair. If you want to become strong and healthy, you must eat bodybuilding food. Children, the bodybuilding foods are nothing but proteins. Children, let us see what are proteins. Proteins are nutrients that help our body grow, repair and damage tissues and stay strong and healthy. They are often called the bodybuilding foods because they help in building muscles, bones, skin and other body parts. Proteins are made up of small units called amino acids. Our body needs proteins every day for proper growth and development. Children, let us discuss the importance of proteins in a balanced diet. A balanced diet includes carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and water. Proteins are very important because they help the body grow and function properly. Children, let us discuss in detail why proteins are important. Yes, first, it helps in growth and development. Proteins are necessary for the growth of children and the development of muscles, bones and tissues. Second, it repairs the body tissue. Proteins help repair damaged cells and tissues in the body. They help wounds heal faster. Third one, proteins build strong muscles. Proteins help build and maintain strong muscles, making the body strong and active. Fourth, it supports the immune system. Proteins help the body fight diseases by producing antibodies that protect us from infections. Fifth one, it gives energy. Proteins also provide energy when the body needs it. Sixth one, it helps in making important body chemicals. Protein can help produce enzymes, hormones and other important substances needed for body functions. Children, once finally we'll recap the uses of protein in our body. Proteins build muscles and bones. It helps to keep our body growth. It repairs the damaged tissue. It strengthens the immune system. It produces the enzymes and hormones. It provides energy. It keeps the skin, hair and nails healthy. Children, let us discuss in detail about the food items which are rich in proteins. When it comes to animal sources, milk, egg, fish, chicken, meat, curd, cheese, etc. are rich in proteins. When it comes to plant sources like pulses, lentils, peas, soya beans, peanut, beans, nuts are rich in proteins. Children, signs of proteins deficiency are lack of protein in the diet may cause weak muscles, slow growth in children, tiredness, weak immunity, hair fall, poor healing of wounds. Children, let us discuss how this protein food help us when we take milk. Milk makes the bone and strong teeth. When we eat curd, it helps the digestion and build muscles. When we consume paneer, means cottage cheese, it is good for growing of children. When we take cheese, it gives protein and calcium. If we eat eggs, it builds strong muscles. If we take chicken, it helps to repair the body after injury. If we eat fish, good for brain and muscles. If we eat dal, the body grow, good for vegetarians. If we eat rajma, means kidney beans, plant proteins make you strong. If we eat chickpeas, chole, it gives energy and build muscles. If we eat soya bean, and soya bean is very good protein for vegetarians. Nuts, almonds, walnuts build brain and muscles strong. Peanuts gives proteins and energies. Children, finally, I want to conclude that proteins are very important nutrients for growth, strength and repair of the body. They help build muscles, protect us from disease and keep us healthy, active. Eating a balanced diet with enough protein helps children grow properly and keeps the body strong and energetic. Children, how many of you drink milk every day? Please comment in the comment box and let me know what is your favorite bodybuilding food.